Hey guys, Chia Creator here. Today we're going to be going over how to find your public pool and farmer keys. You'll need, of course, a Windows machine and also the Chia blockchain client installed on that machine to follow along with the tutorial here today. First, I'm going to give a brief synopsis of the public keys and private keys and how they relate to Chia and what they're used for. In the normal internet services, we have, of course, a username and a password. And so on PayPal, Google, things like this, you have a username and a password to secure your account. Well, in crypto-based systems, things that use cryptography, like cryptocurrencies like Chia and Ethereum, we have public keys and private keys in the place of username and password. So a public key most directly relates to a username, and a private key most directly relates to a password. So the public key is like an identifier, and the private key is something that can access information that's encrypted with the public key. So guys, I don't want to go over a complete overview of how encryption works, public key encryption works, but basically messages are encrypted with the public key and then only the private key can unlock it. So guys, in the context of Chia, public key is used to create the plots, and then the private key that you hold on to that you don't share, that is what you can use to use the plots for your own Chia farming setup. So the public key is just used to write the plots, and then the private key, the one that holds the private key, is the only person who can access those plots. So guys, never share your private keys with anyone. So the private key, again, it's like a password. Never share that with any service that's asking for it. They can only do nefarious, malicious things like steal your Chia and access your wallet. So with that out of the way, guys, let's go ahead and go over how to access your public keys. So guys, we're going to go over and we're going to open up a web browser. We're going to open up Chrome here. And we're going to go to the website, of course, chiacreator.net, which is our site. It's a site where we sell Chia plots as a service, guys, on demand. Head on over to the FAQ section. On the FAQ section, first question that we answer here is, where are my public, farmer, and pool keys located? So for Windows 10, all we have to do is we have to open up a PowerShell and run the following command. So guys, what we're going to do is I'm going to go over and click on the Windows Start menu, and I'm going to type in PowerShell. Type in PowerShell, and I'm going to launch this right here. I'm going to go back over and copy this command out. So I'm going to copy the entire command that's shown here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to open PowerShell back up. And then inside of here, I'm simply going to right click. And if right click doesn't work, you can also do Control V to paste. So we just need a way of pasting it in. So right click, guys, there it is. And I'm going to hit enter. And then we run that command, guys. And here it is. So here is our farmer public key and our pool public key. So these two keys right here, guys, and they start right after the colon. So here's our farmer public key. And here is our pool public key, guys. And these are used, again, these are what is used by, what is actually used by the Chia program to write the plots. So it writes it for your account, essentially. And then with your private key, you're the only one that can use those plots. So that's how it works. It's useful for, again, services like ours. If you're using an online service to create your plots with, we will require your public pool and farmer key, and that is used to create your plots with. So guys, that is how to get your public pool and farmer keys. Again, very simple. All you have to do is head over to chiacreator.net, go to the FAQ section, go down to where are my public, farmer, and pool keys located, and go ahead and paste in this command into PowerShell. And there you go, guys. Thanks so much. Join us for our next tutorial, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down below. Guys, tell us how we're doing. Thanks. Have a good one.